For more than 60 years, Laird and Son have been providing furnace sales and service. A uniformed Laird and Son technician will come to your door and provide consultation on how to improve your comfort. What's important about your furnace? Is it quiet? Is it efficient? If you have a good filter, there will be fewer breakdowns and your air quality will improve. Our certified technicians are experts in furnace repairs and installations. For over 3 generations, Laird and Son has stayed true to its founding principle, making sure that every customer is completely satisfied. Call us today for a free estimate. We will gladly dispatch an expert technician to your home. Thank you for choosing Laird and Son.